Welcome back to Father and Son Fix. In today's episode, we're going to try and get rid of this little guy who is stuck in the headlight. And we're going to try a few different methods and see what works. So let's give it a shot. So we've removed the high lamp beam to gain access. And now we're going to feed this flexible straw in. We are on top of the spider. We have a little bit of movement. Just slightly. Trying to get it out. Oh, there we go. Trying to turn it. Well, maybe we can break it apart one leg at a time. Have to be really careful with this coating on these lenses. That's why we're using this flexible straw and nothing metal at all. So we had the little tech vac before. Now we're going to try the shop vac. A little more CFM on this, see if we can get this guy out of here. Alright, we lost one of our straws into the shop vac, so we're going to set up again and give it another shot. Target acquired. We have some scotch tape on the flexible straw now to give it a little bit more strength. Going back in with the shop vac. Here we go. At this point, we've removed a good bit of the legs. We're still trying to get the main thorax portion out. I think the kinks in the flexible straw are preventing us from getting full suction. So we'll see if we can work it. Let's move it a little bit here to move it along to the edge perhaps. Here it comes. There we go. Whew! That was something. Well, another father and son fix. See you next time.